Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th Maths exercise 5.2. So students, in exercise 5.2, few questions are there which I will solve for you. So see students, question number A. Take the circles above the number that are multiples of 3. Means these are the numbers given, you have to take the multiples. Means in the table of 3 which numbers are coming out of these numbers that you have to tick above the number, means above the number. Okay, so see, tick the circles below the numbers that are multiples of 6. So students, here the multiples of 6 you have to take below the number. So now write the common multiples of 3. After that, which number will be common for both, that we will write down. So see students, the circles above the number that are multiples of 3. So what are the multiples of 3? So starting 1, 2 is not a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So what are the multiples of 3 which is given here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. These are the multiples of 3. Now moving to the multiples of 6. So multiples of 6 are, we have to take below the number. So here I am taking it. So see, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are directly 18. So what are the multiples of 6? 6, 12 and 18 which are given here. Many more are there, but here only up to 18 is given. So see here, now students, 3 is the multiple of 3 and not 6. 6 is the multiple of 3 as well as 6. 9 is the multiple of 3, not 6. 12 is the multiple of 3 as well as 6. 2 ticks are there. Now 15 is the multiple of 3 but not 6. Now 18 is the multiple of 3 and 6 both. So students, now the question is given. Now write the common multiples of 3 and 6. So students, you can write here or you can write below also the common multiples of 3 and 6 are. What are the common multiples? See here, 3 is not 6. 12, where what do you have to see here? Where 2 ticks are there. 2 ticks are given here. So see, 6, 12 and 18. So 6, 12 and 18. So these are the 3 numbers which are common multiples of both 3 and 6. So students, in this way you can solve question number A. So now students, moving to question number B. Use the number line to find the common multiples. Here we have used a different method to find the common multiple, okay, by writing the multiples by taking above and below. But here the second method to find the common multiple of the given numbers are using the number line. So how to use the number line for finding the common multiples of two numbers? So it is very easy students. So that I will tell you, 2 and 4. So 2 is given first. So above I will jump and then I will show you. So see students, from 0 we will start. So this is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Either I can read the table or I can say from 0 1 2, 1 2, 1 2. So after every two numbers, after every one number I am putting just the jumping position. See here. So after that 2, leaving 1 and 2. So I am moving here 1 and 2. I am moving here 1 and 2. I am moving here and 1 and 2 is not there. So simply up to 14. So these are the multiples which I am jumping. So 0 is not. So from starting from 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So these all are the multiples of 2. Okay. So now the next number is 4. So starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4. How 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Directly I am jumping to 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. I am jumping to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am jumping to 12. 1, 2, 3. No, now no number is there. So these are the multiples of 4. Now students, we don't have to find the multiple. multiples. Multiples only by multiplying with the numbers we can find the multiples. But here we have to find the common multiples. So now see which are common here. This one we will leave. So starting from 4, see students here 4 upside is also there, downside. So 4 is one common multiple. Then this is 8. Here also above in table of 2 8 is coming, and table of 4 also 8 is coming. Rest 10 is not coming in table of 4. 12 is coming in table of 4 as well as 2. So students, what are the common multiples? 4, 8 and 12. So here students we can write the common multiples of 2 and 4. What are the common multiples of 2 and 4? Are 4, 8 and 12. Are 4, 8 and 12. So students, in this way we can find the common multiples of the given numbers by number line method and by the above method. So I think this one is easy. And now moving to question number C. So students, question number C, what is given? That is the another method of finding the common multiples. So how to find the common multiples, students, that we will see in question number C. So students, see, question number C is given here that what? Write the first 10 multiples of the following pairs of numbers. What are the numbers given here? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is given. Okay, question number C, first one. So students, question is write the first 10 multiples of the following pairs of number. You have to write the first 10 multiples, then find the common multiples of each pair. Then you have to find the common multiples. So now for writing that first 10 multiples is asked. So I will write 2 and 3. It is very easy. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So these are the 10 multiples of 2. Second number is 3. Second digit is 3. 3 1s are 3. 10 multiples first we have to write. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the common multiples. Therefore the common multiples of 2 and 3 are. So what are the common multiples? Now see, 2 is here, no. 4, no. 6 is given in both. I am underlining it. 6, so I am writing here 6. Then 8, no. 10, no. 12 is here. 12 is here also, so I am writing 12. Then 14, no. 16, no. 18 is here and 18 is here also. So I am writing 18, 20. It is 21 and it is more than 20, so no common other factors will be there, multiples will be there. Why? Because this is 20, this is more than 20, 21, 24, 27, 30. So these are the three multiples, 6, 12 and 18 of 2 and 3. So by writing the multiples, common 10 multiples of both, we can then find the common multiples by just checking it one by one. So students, this is the third method of finding the common multiple. So students, in exercise 5.2, A, B and C, there three methods are there, and by using these three methods you can find the common multiples of the given number. So students, solve exercise 5.2 in your notebook and then clear your doubts in the doubt clearing class. Thank you for watching.